Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Design here on YouTube. And I'm here today. A company contacted me to test a product for them. And the name of the company is Mirage. I don't know, Mairujju. I will put that in a little thing that goes across the screen down here. Okay, so what they wanted me to test is, I tried to shoot this video once and it didn't come out, so everything's pre-opened. Okay, there's 12 pairs of socks in here, and they are beggarly, and they're mesh, ventilation, moisture control, cushion sew, and arch support. Now, they asked me a few questions. I told them I had trouble with my arch because I have plantar fasciitis. There's pain in the feet, and the arch of the foot is not supported right. So we're gonna see. These fit 6 to 10, 12 size feet. So they're really stretchy. And they say to wash them before you wear them. So I gotta wash them. Here's the ventilation here. I think this part is the arch support. And here's more ventilation here. So my first impression is they look similar to other socks that I've had before. They're ankle socks, but a little puffy part on the back so it doesn't fall underneath your foot. We will see how these work after I wash them and wear them. So you can look them up. I will put all the information in a little banner down here, and also put the links, if I can find them, in the comment section of this video. And they also say tumble dry on medium. And it's 88% cotton, 9% polyester, 2% nylon, and 1% spandex. It says 6 pair, but I got 12 for some reason. I don't know. Let's see. Let's count them. Make sure. Here's 1 pair, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 6 pairs. Okay. We'll try this and see what happens. And I will be back in about 3 weeks to let y'all know how I like them, and how they wear, how the fit on them, the support of it, and everything. Okay? Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Please be blessed, be safe, be caring, be loving, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.